Lady and the Tramp.
Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway.
Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. So today we are in Ghent and look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. So Ghent in Belgium. So during the 3-week stay we are overnight in Belgium. So me and a few friends from the ship have come out and we're going to stay out overnight. So today we're exploring Ghent, and then this evening we're going to go to Brussels. We booked a hotel, and then tomorrow we're going to explore Brussels, and then in the evening we'll go back to the ship. But I'm really excited. It's so pretty. So pretty. So we're going to have a little walk around. We haven't eaten and it is currently 12 o'clock, so we're going to go and get some food now, and then I think we're going to explore one of these castles behind me. There's loads, there's like 15 just in this area, so yeah, there's loads to do, but the buildings are absolutely fantastic.
I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go.
Can you please have 5, please? 5? Yes, sir. One white shot.
Wow. We're going on a boat tour. We're just waiting for our boat to pick us up. Dennis bought some kava, so he's just opening it for us.
C'est un entrepôt de céréales qui bouge opzetten als die restaurant. Dan wordt het weer very small tolhouse of tax house with a blue window. Et pas de grand, c'est des gars ni à gauche.
Boats and hoes, Dennis. Boats and hoes. Okay, I'm gonna get a magnet, my magnet collection. Oh my god, they have so many. Oh, sugar. No, I think I like this one. Okay. Dennis, are you getting anything?
I want the monkey.
Where's the what monkey? Is it a light?
It's so cute, but I don't know how I'm getting it to the US.
Yeah. They find that in your suitcase at customs, like,
Al derecho es una casa.
we're at the castle.
So thank you for coming. Welcome to the house.
Welcome to my crib.
The energy there is very strong. Like,
Did it go down?
No? Is it?
even there.
Cool.
freezing. Oh my god.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on every.
It's a really lovely castle, but we paid to get in and we thought that we'd paid for a tour, but then we got in and found out that you had to pay an extra 10 to have like the audio stuff, and we were cheap, so we were like, no thanks. So it's a lovely castle, but I think it probably would have been a lot better with the audio. Just a tip in case you come here. Vámonos. So we have just had a waffle, which was absolutely delicious, and I think now we're going to head back to the train station and get the train to Brussels. But Ghent has been delightful. Love the boat trip, love the castle, love the waffle. But yeah, time to move on.
Lycée à destination de Brussels and Ghent.
Is this my room there?
Yeah, you millionaire.
Oh wow! It's so cool! Girls night out! Okay, so we have all just got showered and changed, and now we are going to go out into Brussels for some dinner.
He's got triple vaccinated, and we test like that. There's a amount of tests we have, so we can test.
I'm coming round. Morning guys, so it is 10 AM. We are in Brussels. We are still in the hotel, which is absolutely stunning. I'll show you now. How stunning is this? But now we are going to have breakfast and then go out and explore Brussels. I have no idea what we are going to do today. Just like yesterday, we're going to walk around, and if we see something we like, we're going to go and explore it, like the boat tour and stuff yesterday. But sorry I didn't get much footage last night. Oh, good morning, Dennis! But we did go out for dinner last night. We had an amazing Italian. We went to an amazing Italian restaurant, and it was really like, you could tell it was family run, and the pasta was fresh. It was so good. And then we just went for a few drinks and came back to the hotel because we didn't want to go wild, because obviously we've got a full day of walking and exploring today. So let's go and have breakfast and get exploring. How amazing does this breakfast look? Jardin Secret, definitely recommend if you're coming to Brussels. This is the Grand Palace. This is incredible. It wraps all the way around.
That's the one. If it's how it looks, it's the name.
What is it?
Church.
No, do you know what it is?
No.
Oh. So it's a museum. we've just, yeah, we've just researched it.
It's not a primary.
Thank you, Lizeth, for researching. It's a it's a museum.
It took me like an hour, but it's fine.
It's amazing. These gardens are beautiful. So now we are in the main square and pretty phenomenal. Wow. Holy moly. Like the detail is just insane.
One city.
So we've just left the main square, we had some food, and now we're going to take a slow meander back to the train station and catch the train from Brussels back to Blankenberg and back to the ship. Okay, so this is the famous fountain that is like literally all over Belgium. You can get it in all the touristy shops. It's so small. I was expecting him to be huge. Oh, Mel. I was expecting it like
Me too.
more.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I was expecting you know the horse that is in the green horse that we passed by.
Yeah.
I was expecting
Yeah, I was expecting it to be like that as well. It's so tiny. Look, it's literally like what all the magnets are of. Like, look at that. Literally, this souvenir of it is the same size as the real thing.
later this one. I don't want to hear it.
No permission at all.
Hey guys, so I have just got back on board. It is now 7:45 in the evening and it's safe to say I'm knackered. Like, I have had the best time exploring Ghent and Brussels with my friends. It's just been wonderful, and the weather was incredible. Brussels was just gorgeous. Like, the whole city was so lovely, and yeah, just really magical. So now I am gonna get changed, I'm gonna have a shower, and I'm going to go to bed because we start work again tomorrow. We've had 2 days off and had an overnight, and been able to have an overnight, which has been like unreal, incredible, pretty unheard of within ship life. So I feel very lucky to have had that time to just relax, enjoy, rejuvenate. So I am going to go to bed, even though by the time I get to bed it'll be like 8:30, 9 o'clock, which is really early for me, but I need it. I've done a lot of walking, but it's been great. But thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you know, if you do enjoy it, then please comment and like, because it really helps me out with the algorithm. But yeah, just feeling really good about everything, feeling really lucky. So I will see you in the next video, guys.